Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to do this cool text around the object effect in After Effects. So once you have your clips in After Effects, duplicate the clip, and for the top layer, isolate the subject from the background. Make sure you do as good as you can so that the results look better. Once you have your desired purpose, freeze the layer. Now you can see the object is isolated from the background for the top layer. Now add your text and choose your font according to you, the way you want it. Make sure it's aligned from horizontal and vertical perspectives. Click on the text layer. Now add CC cylinder effect to that pre-comp of the text layer. Increase the radius of it, and you can see there is a position sliders here. So adjust your position according to the way you want, and there is also a rotation slider. You can also adjust the rotation the way you want. Once you have your desired look, go to the render thing here which says full and make it outside, and now make a keyframe at the beginning of Y rotation and decide where do you want it to start from. I want it to start from here, and at the end you can make it go way back, like you can have it make a rotation, full rotation. Now duplicate this layer, put one of them below our rotoscope layer, and for the below one make it inside instead of outside. Now you can see the text goes around the object. And now you can add drop shadow and deep glow the way you like it. First apply it on the one that's on top of the rotoscope layer, and then for the one that's below the rotoscope layer, make sure the deep glow isn't too bright. If the deep glow is too bright, your effect wouldn't look as good as you think. Yeah, just make sure the radius of the deep glow is a little less. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and watch my edits that I post as short form. And if you guys want any other tutorials, just comment down below. Also, I have a Discord server where you can reach out to me and all. Thanks for watching.